At the second annual consortium meeting of FAIR EASE, the opportunity was taken to strengthen existing collaborations. A number of fellow EOSC projects were invited to explore and deepen synergy and collaboration with FAIR EASE and were given space to present and to join the discussion. We were also able to hear what they think about collaboration with FAIR EASE and within the EOSC ecosystem.
FAIR EASE is quite exciting as a project in what its objectives are. Bringing together lots of different data sets and different actors in the environmental sciences domain is a very important aspect of the work of EOSC, of interfacing FAIR data sets with well-known platforms such as Galaxy and so on, is exactly the sort of work we need in order to contribute to EOSC, to demonstrate that we can make these FAIR data sets accessible to a larger number of researchers from many different disciplines.
If we actually come as a community together and put these pieces together that all of us have, right, and all we have these different needs and different technologies, I think then we can really put an added value on top of all of that. Come up with this EOSC vision in the end.
It's a coordination and support action. FAIR Impact really focuses on supporting adoption of FAIR solutions. So one of the ways in which we try to do that is to create what we call a FAIR implementation framework. In that FAIR implementation framework, we, for example, provide a catalog of resources to make your data and your community more fair. And I could very well imagine that the outputs that come from FAIR EASE are incorporated in that catalog so as to create more impact.
One side is from the data management aspect. Both Blue Cloud and FAIR EASE deal with data harmonization, and most of all they do so in two domains that are cross collaborative, I would say. So the Earth observation and the Earth data domain and the marine and ocean domain.
I believe that EOSC is the right framework to work by putting in place economies of scale. Clearly, each project can contribute its own resources in terms of services or data products, and clearly other projects can benefit from those, and vice versa. So EOSC, the EOSC framework creates this environment where we can share our resources, and in this way accelerate the way we do research without replicating efforts.
FAIR EASE could leverage on some of the resources starting from cloud computing resources and approaches to the analytical sharing, the sharing of analytical tools that happens within the Blue Cloud platform. So there are concrete areas where we do see an effective collaboration.
First, we need to know what do we actually all do in these different EOS, and then we need to be willing to actually come together and work together.